If your NordicTrack treadmill is frozen or acting up, here are two reset methods you can try. Method 1. Console button reset. First, remove the safety key from the console. Then, press and hold the speed plus button and the stop button at the same time. While holding both buttons, reinsert the safety key. Keep holding until the display responds. After that, press stop once, then press incline plus and allow the treadmill to raise all the way up and then back down completely. This recalibrates the incline system and often clears software glitches. Method 2. Physical reset button. If the first method doesn't work, turn the treadmill around and locate the small reset pinhole on the back of the console. Using a paperclip or pin, press and hold the reset button. While holding it, unplug the treadmill from the outlet, then plug it back in, still holding the button. The screen should display a reset or update message. Once it begins updating, release the button and allow the process to complete. These steps often resolve console freezes and incline errors.